Meaning of display bin.
Display bin.
Display bin.
Display bin.
Display bin. A display bin is a type of container that is used to showcase and organize products in a retail setting. Display bins are typically made of plastic or cardboard and are designed to be placed on shelves or countertops. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and can be customized to fit specific products or branding needs. Display bins are commonly used in grocery stores, convenience stores, and other retail environments to promote impulse purchases and increase product visibility. They are an effective way to organize and display products in a visually appealing and accessible way.